Beautiful winter day here, friends. It's Sikhona, here to share with you about our upcoming teacher training. Our teacher training is a 200-hour certified under Yoga Alliance training in the style of Hatha yoga. In our training, we will talk about the body, but we will also talk about what's underneath the surface of the body. Anatomy will be a very large focus to understand how our body functions, moves, and breathes. We will talk about alignment in the yoga poses from an energetic and an anatomical standpoint. We will also talk about breath work. How do we use the breath to steady the mind and to relax our nervous system? We'll talk about mantra, sound healing, and meditation. How do we clear the mind so that we can deeply listen to ourselves? Yoga is not only about what our body can do, but how we are being. We will bring in the philosophical principles of yoga through the Yoga Sutras, through the Bhagavad Gita, as well as the other 8 limbs of yoga. Oftentimes, we hear yoga as just being about the body, stretching, moving. But we'll go into self-reflection. We'll understand a deeper awareness of self. Yoga is about sharing our gifts, sharing who we are authentically, truthfully, and in integrity. And that's what we hope that you gain from this practice, a deeper awareness of yourself. This practice and this training is designed for anyone who is looking to go deeper into the yoga practice or that have that strong calling to share. The space of Nature Studio is a perfect space for you to come, to retreat from your daily life, to get rid of the distractions, and to just allow yourself to see who you are. We hope that you can join us. Our training starts in February, at the end of February, and it goes every other weekend until the end of June. I'll be guiding you for most of the training, but we'll also have special guests from our other teachers here at Nature Studio. If you have any other questions or you have any interest, you can feel free to reach out to us at Nature Studio at CardeliaHealthWesternNewYork.com or reach us on Facebook or Instagram. We hope you join us at our beautiful space and our beautiful training.